welcome back to my channel! And tonight, gabi na po, ngayon, we are home. We're home early kasi ang grabeng ulan. Everywhere, ang traffic, nakakaloka. So tonight, we will be preparing some food trip food. Ganon, di ba? Pag rainy season, pag maulan-ulan, di ba, ang sarap talagang kumain. So today, samahan niyo ako, we will be preparing food. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nagluluto. I hope marunong pa ako. So we will be cooking our pesto pasta. Of course, joining me is the one and only, the pesto. The pesto pasta. So ayun, Nana is preparing the garlic, but this will be a quick pasta lang because bumili na ako ng sauce na ready sauce. But I'm adding some ingredients to it to make it even more delicious. So tuturo ko sa inyo. So this is one of the food that I am cooking and preparing every time I'm hungry when I was still a vegetarian. Yes, please believe me if I say I've been a vegetarian for almost 2 years lang naman. Until such time, I met the love of my life. The love of my life, which is baby boy, na masakit ang kanyang bewa ngayon. That's why nasa taas na siya nakahiga. Eh kami, mag-food trip kami because I'm hungry. So just to show you some of the ingredients we will be using. So I have here the penne pesto pasta. So this is the penne pasta. Ayan. Gusto ko ng linguine, pero dun sa Save More, wala akong nahanap na linguine. So ito na lang. And then also, para mabilis, Caio Olé cheesy pesto sauce. So ayan, masarap to. So this one is good for 250 grams of pasta. That's why I have two. Kasi 500 grams yung ating ipa-prepare. And then again, just to add a little bit of flavor, I'm adding some Eden cheese melted. And then pag naluto na, of course, we'll top it off with some Parmesan. Siyempre, ano lang to, chika-chikang Parmesan. This is not the original Parmigiano Reggiano. So ayan, let's cook. Let's go. I'm so hungry. So ayan na, we'll just prepare our water. Let's wait for it to boil. Siyempre, I'll just add a little salt. So yan lang. Granard! Pero mabilisan lang tong pastang to. Kasi naman, it's raining and syempre hindi naman tayo ganun kasipag. So we'll just make everything madali. So that you can follow also. Madali lang gawin to. Kaya go. I forgot to tell you. Masarap din pala ang pasta. Yung pesto pasta natin, masarap din siya pag may peanuts. So we'll add peanuts later to our creamy cheesy pesto pasta. Nagbo-boil ng water natin. Let's put it to low heat. So ilalagay na natin ang ating pasta. Let's put everything there because this will be the dinner for the family. So let's just boil it and wait for it to be al dente. Sa packaging ng pasta, usually may nakasulat yan ng minutes. Pero parang wala akong tiwala dyan. So, most of the time, I just come back after mga 2 minutes or 3 to check on my pasta if pwede na siya. So, let's wait for it again. Ito yung pasta natin. What I will do is magtatabi lang ako ng pasta water. Tabi tayo. Konti lang. And we will mix this later para ma-salvage natin ang lasa ng ating pasta because all the flavors are here. Actually, lahat ng starch nandito. And this is what will make it yummier. And alam niyo yung linamnam na talaga, ay pasta talaga to. Char. So let's drain our pasta. So pardon me, everything here in the house is orange kasi I'm sure you know already why it's orange. So bubuhos lang natin sa strainer. So let's go. Then quickly in the pan, let's make gisa-gisa. Let's put some olive oil. Though the Caio Olé is also olive oil based. Ito namang oil na to is yung panggigisa natin. So let's put the onion first. And if naamoy mo na yung aroma ng onion, you don't need to caramelize this. Just when you can smell already the aroma, you add the garlic. So mabilis ang gisa lang to. So pesto is really best paired with garlic. Well, pesto also has lots of garlic already. But of course, because I like the flavor of garlic sa aking pesto, then let's add a lot of garlic. Dagdag pa natin yung garlic na yan. And then of course, low heat lang para hindi masunog. Let's open our Clara Olay. Let's open one pa. And let's make sure na mauubos natin siyang ilagay. So ayan na, nilagay na natin ang ating 2 packs of Clara Olay. Creamy, cheesy pesto, of course. Ito doon na natin. Akin na yung pasta na yun. Lagay mo na dito. So I'll ask help from my nanay. Ibalik na natin yung pasta. There you go. Kami lang din naman kakain yan, so laban na yan. So i-mix natin lahat. Let's make sure that it's well mixed so that the flavors will be evenly distributed sa ating pasta. So that you can taste the pesto in every bite and the creaminess and the cheesiness of it. You can also make your own homemade pesto if you know how to. So that's basically basil leaves, olive oil, pine nuts, garlic, diba? It sounds so complicated, but just buy from the store. And then what I like to do is, of course, I like to add a lot of cheese para mas cheesier siya. So huwag nyo nang titirin sarili nyo. Todo nyo na. And then the pasta water, set aside kanina para nandiyan siya, we can enjoy it. Ihalo nyo lang. Look at that. Naglalaway na si Kenneth, nakikita ko na yung laway niya. That's how easy it is to prepare. And now, of course, to add crunch, to add texture to our pasta. We add the nuts. So, mga ready na nuts na to. This is also garlic flavored nuts. And just mix it in. Bango, oh my God. So that's how simple it is to do. Meron na kaming pang food trip na pasta. And of course, titikman na natin. We'll plate it so that we can start eating already. And then we'll have Kenneth judge it. Diba? It's a pasta, it's not a book, but of course, Kenneth will judge it. Kasi judgmental siya. Charot! So here's our pesto pasta. Of course, we'll top it off with some Parmesan cheese. Ayan. Eme-eme lang yan. Siyempre, for me, konti yung Parmesan cheese na yun. Because I like a lot of Parmesan cheese. Oh, let's try it. Ito na yung servings po natin. Kunwari sa to. Moment of truth. Tapos sasabihin nila, Madam, ikaw nagluto, ikaw din tumikim. Ganun talaga, guys. I like a lot of cheese on my pasta. So let's try it. Harap. So again, vegetarian pasta. Magugulat ka, Kenneth, pag natikman mo. Hindi mo expect na masarap pa na. Kenneth naman si Kenneth. So it's Kenneth's turn. Hindi pa na-roll ang video, nakalagay na siya sa pinggan niya.
Akala ko nga ito yung sa akin eh.
Sorry, ito ni.
So, lagyan natin.
And let us know if it's surprisingly good.
Ganun pala lasa ng peste. Pesto pala to. Oh my God. Ang sarap.
Hmm?
Ang daming olive oil.
Magiging vegetarian daw si Kenneth.
For 2 minutes. Max.
Tingin nga ng perfect bite. Tara, yung seductive bite.
Ibang channel na lang.